Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I will show you how to save mobile phone contacts in gallery. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Open up your mobile phone dialer. Now click on your contacts in bottom. Now click on settings in top right corner. Here you can see an option of import and export contacts. Click here. Now there are many options. You have to click on bottom export to storage device option. Here you have many options, all contacts, phone and WhatsApp. I click on all contacts. I want to save my all contacts. Here you can select folder by clicking on change path. I click on change path and select my document folder. Here click on done. Now click on this export option. When you click here, your all contacts will be exported. Contacts have been exported. You can send these to any other person on WhatsApp, or you can simply see these contacts in your gallery. When I go to my mobile phone gallery, I check all the contacts are saved in my documents. With this method, you can save your mobile phone contacts easily. This is a contact backup file. Import the contacts from here to the phone book. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.